latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hotels, restaurants, gyms, and other public places have been shut in Delhi for nearly 5 months now. However, with the COVID-19 situation in Delhi improving, the government has given its nod to reopen hotels. The Delhi government has agreed to reopen hotels and weekly markets on a trial basis. However, gyms and yoga centers will not be allowed to reopen. The decision comes after a fortnight-long tussle between the Delhi government and the Lieutenant General Anil Baijal. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority approved the reopening of all hotels in the national capital. Meanwhile, only weekly markets will reopen in Delhi on a trial basis. All activities will resume with social distancing guidelines and preventive measures. However, hotels and restaurants will not be allowed to reopen immediately. The order is likely to come into effect within a week's time. Despite approval, they have to wait for an official DDMA order. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority in its order said that hotels will be allowed to reopen in the national capital and weekly markets will be allowed on a trial basis. The Delhi government has allowed 9 banquet halls to delink as COVID-19 hospitals. DDMA has deferred the Delhi government's proposal of buses to ply at full capacity. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said with the situation improving in Delhi, the economy must be brought back on track.
The COVID situation in Delhi is much better now. Now the economy of Delhi must be brought on track. In the meantime, everyone must exercise precautions and follow social distancing.
Union Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel was also part of the meeting to discuss the reopening of hotels in Delhi. The minister observed that hotels contribute to 8% of Delhi's GDP. Moreover, weekly markets would further provide employment to lakhs of people. Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel welcomed the decision to reopen hotels and weekly markets.
Opening of the 2 biggest segments of the tourism industry, which are hotels and restaurants in the country's capital, is a positive move that will help push domestic travel and give much relief to the industry, which has been reading itself with all health and safety protocols.
The Lieutenant Governor Office said the administration should ensure strict compliance of social distancing norms. The LG office said Delhi cannot afford to let its guard down till the situation is normalized. Delhi has nearly 2,500 hotels that contribute to a major part of the national capital's economy. Meanwhile, Delhi's COVID-19 recovery rate has crossed 90%. Delhi is among the states that have the highest recovery rate in India. The national capital currently has only 11,068 active COVID-19 cases.